Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. With today, I have my Birchbox, and this is my August box. It's coming in pretty early, I guess, but it's good. And I hope I get what I've been hoping for, but let's find out together. And if you're interested, please do stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. And today, as I said in the opening, I have my Birchbox. And this is for August, and I'm kind of looking forward to it. And you know, these boxes, it comes in different prices, and if you catch them at the right time, you could get a heck of a deal. I ended up getting a year's worth of subscription, and I paid $8 per box. And so it's rare that I get disappointed for $8 a box, but this box does only carry travel size, unless they put in like an eyeliner or something. Then of course that's like a full size, right? So yeah, but before we get into that, we have our power thought cards today and our affirmations. And so let's see what's in store for us. Okay, alrighty. Okay, I won't need my glasses or my magnifying glass yet. It says, my future is glorious. My future is glorious. And this is something that we all should be saying, right? It hasn't happened. So how can you say it's glorious? Because you're going to make it that way. You're going to create your own future, and it's going to be glorious. And that's our goal. And how do we do that? We live day by day and accept the things that, you know, we cannot change, and change the things that we can. You guys know that famous saying, right? And this is how I go about my future, but I don't worry about it. I used to, oh my God, I used to worry so much about tomorrow that I totally blew my today. I could be having a beautiful day, but I'm still worrying about what's going to happen tomorrow. And sometimes I still get caught in that because it's mostly because of work, right? And it's really hard to compartmentalize on Friday afternoon to say, okay, I'm just going to put this aside. And on Monday, I'll worry about it, because then the whole weekend, you're kind of thinking about it. So, but I have actively tried, and I actually actively work on, okay, I'm gonna push that aside. It's okay if it creeps in, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna push that aside. And the pushing aside is the most important thing if you want to have a glorious future, because you really want to focus, right? And be intentional. Be intentional about it. That's the key, being intentional. Okay, so these have something in the back. Let's see what it says. Now, this is like, I don't know why they put like this pale white on yellow. It is so hard to read. That's the feedback I'm going to have to give them. You guys need to like do something with these colors. Okay, it says, I now live in limitless love, light, and joy. All is well in my world. That's a nice affirmation. I now live in limitless love, light, and joy. All is well in my world. And so my future will be glorious. Okay? Yeah, I like it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you know, I'm sorry if you can't, but this is like a crazy that they, you know, this is not a good choice. Yeah, of color combination. Okay, anyways, let's get down to business. And we have the Birchbox today. Get back in there. And this is the one that I struggle with. You remember, every time I just try to pull it all the way through, but it breaks halfway. Let's see. And I try to be so gentle with this. It's like a game with me now. See? You see where it starts to get weak? Oh, maybe I'll start doing it this way. Okay? Yeah. Didn't work, guys. Okay. That's okay. See, but they make the sides really tough, really thick. And look how thin this side is. What's up with that? Yeah, see? They need to be consistent. Okay, anyway, enough of that. I can just grab onto the side and just kind of pull this apart, I think. You remember when I first started my video about a year ago that, I couldn't get into any box, and I always struggle so bad? Well, I'm back to that now. Nothing's changed. Okay, here we go. Pretty little box. And I will put this outer box over here. And we have a box. Yep. Let me see what's inside. And it comes like this. It comes with a little card. I don't think, does it tell us what? Yeah, it does tell us what's in it. But it says soaking up every last bit of sunshine. Us too. Okay, so this is the end of the summer box. So it says here, save your skin and hair from all that damage with these reparative miracle workers. Pop on a treatment and use the downtime to indulge in your magical power of nothing. Are you in? Ah, cute, cute. All right, and here it is. And then in the back tells you what the products are, but I do believe they give the price for full size only. Yeah, they do. Yep. Okay, so you have an option, by the way, every month to pick the type of box you want. And I always, with Birchbox, pick Clean Beauty. Don't know why, I just do. So here is where it says Clean Beauty. And it gives you the choice of what you want. So it says, well, what you want, meaning a whole box. You don't get to pick like IPSY, you don't get to do that. But yeah, swapping your tired and true products for clean alternatives is easier than you think. Start your clean beauty journey with us here or find a new favorite with this month's picks. And so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put the link below, okay? And also, I put all the links below anyway, so if you go through, if you're looking for something, I'm sure it's there. Sometimes I forget to raise them to the top. Sorry. So, yeah. And so it comes like this, and like I said, these are all sample sizes, and I'm not going to complain for $8 a month. And already, I like how it looks. And here we go. And the first product we have is by KNC Beauty. And this is All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. And I like lip masks. There it is. And these are so cute. And let's see what they say about it. What do they say? It says, infused with rose flower oil, cherry extract, and vitamin E. This lip mask deeply conditions, plumps, and primes. Apply to clean lips for 15 to 20 minutes. You know what? I may do that after I finish recording today. Yeah, very nice. I like it. Okay, and the full size, I think they come in a pack of 5, I think. Yep. If you get a pack of 5, it's $25. So this is one, so you figure it's $5 for one. That's kind of costly, it is. Yeah. But I'm not going to complain. I got it in a box that cost me $8. So, okay, the next thing here is Glow Recipe. And I think you guys know about Glow Recipe, right? There it is. And it looks like some kind of a mask, but maybe not. Let me take a look. It's Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. Oh, okay. I'm meant for body cream. I don't get a whole lot of body creams, guys. But then again, the only thing I ever use is the CeraVe in a big tub. But I'll give Glow Recipe a try. Why not? Okay, let's see what it says. Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. The full size is $28, but it does not say how big full size is, so I'm sorry about that. It says, this body cream smooths skin while hydrating you from head to toe. The creamy texture leaves skin glowing, and the watermelon scent is a huge bonus. Okay, it's got fragrance of watermelon. Okay, it's all good. And once you open it, it's good for 6 months. You think, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and save this for when I go on a road trip. So that way I have something small. Because for some reason or another, when I went on my trip, I'm like, dang, I don't have any body cream. What's up with that? Yeah, because I like to only take travel size so I can just throw it away while I'm there. But for you guys, what I do is now I put it into a Ziploc after I use it all and bring it home so that way I can show you my empties. Yeah. So anyway. And the next one is Avia. Avia. I know that company. What do I know that company? I think I seen this on Macy's. Avia. And what are you? Avia Skincare. And this is a Hydra Avia Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and snow mushroom. And the full size would be $60. And I like snow mushrooms. I really do. I got a serum one time. I think you remember that, right? And I used it all. Yeah. I wish I had another one. Anyway, it restores and renews skin with the rich antioxidant-packed facial moisturizer while combating signs of aging. Hyaluronic acid plumps skin while snow mushrooms enhance elasticity. Use morning and night after cleansing. And I do like this snow mushroom stuff. And, you know, I'll try this one and see how it works with hyaluronic acid. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Not bad for $8, like I said, right? And this one, full size is $60. I think I just said that. Now, the next one is by Aceology, and this looks like a mask. Yep, brightening treatment mask. And I like brightening masks, by the way. And you know what? Instead of the sheet masks, I prefer them like this for brightening mask, unless I'm getting them from the Face Mask Club, because those really do have skincare in them. But a lot of times, some of the sheet masks that you get, like at TJ Maxx and stuff, I notice, doesn't do a whole lot, you know? I mean, not for me. It might work for you guys. It is nice. It is soothing. It's nice to keep something on your face, especially, you know, in the summer, you have it in a fridge, and you put it on, and you just relax, and you just, yeah, it's good. But I don't ever expect it to do anything like brightening, you know what I mean? Yeah. So anyway, well, let me see what it says about this. This is the Aceology Brightening Treatment Mask. The full size is $69. That's quite expensive for a mask. And because I have a 100 ml mask by, who is that? Charlotte Tilbury that I like, and that only cost me like $30. And this is $69. Okay. This mask is designed to recharge skin cells from the surface to provide an instant glowing and brightening effect. Apply the mask quickly and evenly over skin while avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 30 minutes and gently remove upwards in one single piece. Ew, which one of those is a peel mask? Okay, all right. I'll give that a try and see what, you know, I may go ahead and try it on one of our Mask Mondays. Yeah, and like I said, guys, new discovery for me is that make sure when you're using masks and you're doing it, let's say once a week, you should exfoliate your skin before you do that. So that way you can get all the oils and all of the dead skin off, so your mask, the serums, can penetrate your skin instead of just sitting on the surface because your pores are all clogged up, because it doesn't do any good. Yeah. So, yep. And I think I explained that I'll put the link below, but on my Duval one, which was the last giveaway video, that explains how you should lift your dead skin and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, the next thing and the last thing in here, which is a pretty good size, is Perfect Smooth Blowout Lotion. And I love this company. I actually have a couple of different products. This is recently, well, I'm going to say in the last 6 months, I discovered this company in boxes. And then what I did was, my husband uses it now, is it comes in a tub. And what it is it's a detox, not a shampoo, but it's like a exfoliator for your scalp, right? And it's made with stem grape cells, and he loves it. He just gets in there and he's like, man, this gets my scalp really clean. And sometimes he would, you know, when you sweat, you will get like, you know, bumps and stuff. He hasn't had that, and this is the company. And so I bought the big tub after I got a small sample of it in one of the boxes, one of the beauty boxes actually, and Kinder box it was. And I bought the bigger tub for like $16 for a big tub from Ulta, and now we're hooked on it. Yeah, but it really deep cleanses the scalp without any soap or anything like that. So this one here it's called Nature Lab Tokyo. It's called Nature Lab Tokyo. I can never remember the company's name, but I know the logo. Perfect Smooth Blowout Lotion, full size. Full size is $13. This company is so affordable, and they could price this stuff a lot higher, and I still buy it. Okay, this lotion creates a protective barrier around hair. It's smooth and easier to style. Apply a dime-sized amount to damp hair and blow dry, or apply to dry hair to tame flyaways. I'm going to try that because I do get some flyaway sometimes, you know, at the ends of my hair. Yeah, and like I said, I really do love the stem cell technology they use. So definitely going to try it, and I love the fact that it's clean beauty. So yeah, that's it, guys. So let's see, what did I get in my box? I got the collagen lip mask. What was this? Oh, the moisturizer, okay, with hyaluronic acid. Body Water by Glow Recipe, the body lotion with watermelon. Aceology, and this was the Hydro Brightening Treatment Mask. There we go. And the last thing was this Perfect Smooth Blowout Lotion by Nature Lab Tokyo, and it is the grape stem cell Huh? Hold on, I gotta read that. I want to get that right for you guys. It's, let's see, grape stem cell technology. Forget that technology word. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, $8, guys. I am happy with this. And, you know, I'm happy with it because I know these are brand name skincare and products that actually I've tried some of them, and I know they work. And I really appreciate travel size of them, and especially for $8, guys. I mean, I get it that for, let me see, $4 more from IPSY, you get like sample sizes too, but you don't get this type of quality. And this is all clean beauty. And I'm seriously thinking about canceling IPSY Glam. Only reason why I don't is because I'm not clear on if you could actually cancel the base box and still get the Plus and the X, and I don't think I'm going to be happy with my X this time because, again, it ended up being all skincare, so I don't know. So we're going to have to stay tuned for that. I think that's shipped already, and I'll have the unboxing of it soon. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope I added value to you, and if so, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please do consider subscribing and joining the Wildflower family. Okay, so my beautiful wildflowers, don't forget, there is still a giveaway out there, okay? And so make sure you keep a lookout for that. And by the time I post this, there should be another skincare giveaway as well. So look out for that. Every Monday for skincare giveaway, I'm trying to do skincare Monday or Mass Monday ladies. God, I really can't think today. I'm going to go ahead and start a new giveaway. So go ahead and watch them, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it doesn't matter. Just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.